When ordering material for your part, you might think the best option is to order from an adhesive manufacturer. But in this video, we are going to go over the benefits you might not realize of ordering material from your converter. While our primary function involves purchasing rolls of flexible materials like pressure-sensitive adhesives from manufacturers and converting them into custom rolls or parts, we can also provide boxed goods depending on your needs. This includes offering custom sizes to fit specific production processes. There are several primary benefits to sourcing adhesive materials from a converter, starting with order quantity flexibility. Converters can offer better deals for smaller and mid-sized material orders. Manufacturers often have high minimum order quantities or MOQs, which can be cost prohibitive for certain projects. Converters who buy in bulk can sell smaller quantities at more affordable prices, making them more cost-effective for smaller projects. The second benefit of sourcing from a converter is the supplier relationships. Converters typically have established partnerships with multiple vendors, granting them access to a wide range of materials and samples. These relationships often come with discounts that can reduce the overall cost of materials. This is particularly beneficial in applications where adhesive materials can be expensive. The third benefit is the converter's manufacturing capabilities. Unlike manufacturers who are typically limited to standard sizes, converters can customize materials to meet specific needs. They can slit rolls into smaller sizes, laminate materials together, switch out liners, or provide custom combinations. Some converters also offer precision die cutting services, transforming material into uniform products tailored by your specifications. This capability streamlines the production process and can save both time and money. Lastly is the sampling capabilities. Converters can provide custom material samples that fit specific project requirements. This is essential for material testing and product development, allowing for better prototyping and ensuring the material performs as expected in the final design. Custom samples from converters can be provided in rolls or shapes that align closely with your design needs. Overall, there are a number of reasons why going to a converter is more advantageous than going directly to a material manufacturer. If you're interested in learning more about working with a converter, you can visit our learning center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.